Hi, I'm going to be your cobbler today. What are we cobbling today, you might ask? Well, I did a quick search on some Cleopatra flip-flops and I came up with this stuff. Yeah, just some different types of flip-flops. Not exactly what I'm looking for, but and then a lady brought me this, a pair of flip-flops that is missing a gemstone, which I have right here, and I will be replacing, or actually not replacing, but yeah, placing the gemstone back into its holder there. The pins got entangled, I think, in some clothing, and they got bent a bit. They opened up, and then that's when the stone came loose. So all I've done thus far is just got the shoes ready for repair. Okay, so what I've done so far is I took a knife with a very fine point, or not even the point, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a knife. I just had to get in between these stones because they're pretty tight fitting. You can barely get a knife blade in the center of that, so I just got the knife blade wedged in there, and then I pried over the pin at the back. There's 2 pins at the back, 2 pins at the front, and all I want to do is just kind of pinch them together a little bit, and I'm going to take this stone, I'm going to try to get the right side down and the right side up. It's basically in housing, and now I've got to somehow pinch the front to hold this. So yeah, to get the 2 front pins, I had to turn the shoe around and just ever so gently give these pins a pinch. There. And that is good and secure. Nothing's falling off. Good. This lady will be happy to have her shoes back in good repair for her next adventure. Thanks for watching. I'm your Happy Cobbler. Have a great day, YouTube viewers.